Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable and protective digital camera case without sewing, so let's get started. So start by cutting out 2 pieces from your outer and inner layers 4 by 7 inches. And 4 pieces of batting also 4 by 7 inches. You'll also need a zipper that is 7 to 8 inches long. Place 1 piece of your outer layer fabric right side up and then place a zipper teeth facing down 1/4 of an inch down from the top and pin it to stay in place. Now grab your speed sew fabric glue, a Q-tip for precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the speed sew onto. Fold the zipper over and start applying speed sew. Fold the zipper back over, lightly apply pressure, repin the zipper down, and repeat on the other half, and then let the glue dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. When you place your zipper on the other piece of fabric, place it 1/4 of an inch down like the one we just did, and ensure that both right sides of the fabric are facing each other and that the sides are lined up. Now grab your batting and align all 4 corners and pin it to stay in place. Apply glue to all 4 edges and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes, then repeat the same steps with the second piece of batting and with the other pieces of batting on the other side. Now open your zipper and place the inner layer over the right side of the outer layer and start applying speed sew to the zipper tape. Fold the fabric back over, lightly apply pressure, repin, and let the glue dry for 10 to 15 minutes and repeat on the other side. Once both sides are dry, align the fabric so they are both facing the right sides and make sure that your zipper is unzipped for these next steps. Avoid getting any glue on the zipper teeth and continue this process around the whole case, and leave the center part of the lining unglued. Once you have glued and pinned the whole case, let it dry for at least half an hour. After letting it dry, you can remove all the pins and turn the case right side out. Now grab your speed sew and a Q-tip and apply a line of glue, fold the edges in, and of course pin it while it dries. After letting the glue dry, you can push the lining into the case, and just like that, you created an adorable digital camera case without sewing using speed sew fabric glue. Thanks for watching!